Got a delivery today. I heard that Rage was discontinuing the Rage Extremes, so I got online to see if that was true. I didn't see anything about that, but I did see that everybody was running a huge sale on them. So I picked up 4 packages with the Extreme no collars. Got these for $24.95 a piece, I believe. So a little over $100 with tax and everything for 4 packages. Hop online. I got these at Cabela's, but Bass Pro had them too. So hop on there and get you some before they're gone. I've used these for several years and I like them. Get you some.